Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Guys, you have connected any Bluetooth speaker any device and guys you want to disconnect the device. So then how can you disconnect your Bluetooth speaker with your phone to your phone? So in this video I will show you. So first of all guys you will have to click on your phone setting and guys you can see your more connection setting guys, click here. So friends, you can see your Bluetooth setting here. So here. Sorry friends, click on Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to on, you want to off your Bluetooth setting guys, you can on and off from here. And friends, you can see guys, active JBL Go speaker guys, we have connected, we want to disconnect. So you can see right side this icon guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your disconnect option and forget option. So if we want to disconnect, so we will click on disconnect option, then it will disconnect to our phone. Guys, you want to connect guys, you will have to only click, it will connect automatic. So we will off our phone Bluetooth setting. So like that guys, you can disconnect your Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.